Kreg Pocket Hole Jigs have helped millions of people discover the satisfaction that comes from building their own DIY wood projects that go together quickly, look great, and last. Now, Kreg makes building DIY wood projects and making household repairs easier than ever with 300 Series Kreg Pocket Hole Jigs and accessories. 300 Series Pocket Hole Jigs are packed with features that make project building easy. Whether you're a do-it-yourselfer building your first wood project or you're an experienced builder who's been doing it for years. Kreg 300 Series Pocket Hole Jigs provide the simplicity, versatility, and convenience you want, plus the durability and value you expect from the #1 pocket hole brand, Kreg. At the top of the 300 Series family is the Kreg Pocket Hole Jig 320. Inside this compact case, you'll find what you need to get started building DIY projects with pocket hole joinery, including the jig, drill and driver bits, a clamp adapter, and 2 sample packs of the most used Kreg pocket hole screw sizes. Setting up the Pocket Hole Jig 320 is incredibly easy. Just slide the stop to the thickness of your wood and you know the pocket hole will be perfectly placed when you position the Pocket Hole Jig 320 on your material. The included thickness gauge makes it easy to know the thickness of your material too. Just place the gauge along the edge of the wood and it will show you the thickness, which matches up with the settings on the material thickness stops. After that, all you need to do to finish setting up the Kreg Pocket Hole Jig 320 is to position the stop collar on the special Easy Set step drill bit. It has engraved measurements that match up with the thickness gauge and the stops on the jig. Slide on a simple stop collar until you see the right measurement through the window and then lock it down. Now you can drill to exactly the right depth every time. No guessing, no worry about getting it wrong. Just drill until the stop collar contacts the jig's drill guide and you'll have a perfect pocket hole. Or you can separate the 2 drill guides and use them separately. This makes the jig even more versatile. No matter how many times you use your jig, those drill guides will guide your pocket holes perfectly because they're made of hardened steel and have a lifetime warranty.
Cutting, sanding, scraping, and grout removal without the cord. Introducing the versatile new 18-volt lithium-ion cordless multi-tool. It's available as a kit or as a bare tool. The versatile new multi-tool delivers power, convenience, precision, and comfort for a variety of applications in a more compact size. The Makita-built motor delivers 6,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute with a 3.2-degree oscillation angle engineered for faster cutting. You'll get corded speed and power without the cord. The Makita multi-tool has a small diameter barrel grip and weighs only 4.5 pounds. The star on your LXT tool and battery means they're equipped with Star Protection computer controls technology that protects your battery and tool for optimum performance.
The lock miter bit creates an accurate 45-degree miter with a built-in tongue and groove to keep the joint aligned. It is ideal for creating columns, drop edges, scribes, anything that needs 90-degree corners. Proper setup is the key to success with this bit. Rockler sells a useful setup block. The block is pre-cut with the proper profile for 3/4 and 5/8 inch thick stock. If you do not have a setup block, use a straight edge to ensure that the bit is exposed just at the outer edge of the stock on both the table and the fence. Make the test cuts. The bit should create a sharp point, but remove no material from the faces. Test fit the 2 parts. Once the sharp edge is properly cutting, adjust the fence and height to shift the tongues until the joints line up. The main stock can now be milled. Each joint requires a horizontal and a vertical cut. Properly milled joints are very tight, and clamping is easy since the tongues keep the joints from sliding. This bit will earn its place in your router bit collection.
From the company that brought you the WTX Clamp Edge Saw Guide, we introduce the Bora Saw Plate. Add the Bora Saw Plate to your WTX Clamp Edge, ensuring you get an even more precise cut with practically no effort. That's because with a Bora Saw Plate, your circular saw cannot drift off course. The Bora Saw Plate is specially designed with an adjustable guide that fits straight edges up to 3.5 inches wide. Now your circular saw will glide smoothly and in a perfectly straight line along the WTX clamp edge rail. Your saw can't wander or twist during cutting, so there's no binding or stalling when a blade goes slightly offline. The Bora Saw Plate works with any right or left-handed circular saw. First, adjust the saw's blade for the depth you want to cut. Then, slip the saw's base plate under the two plate clamps and tighten the screws. Secure the back of the saw plate by tightening the adjustable spring clamp. Slip the Bora Saw Plate onto your WTX clamp edge and align your cut utilizing the saw plate blade indicator, which is aligned directly with the saw's blade. Now you're ready to make perfectly straight cuts every time. With the Bora Saw Plate, you can rip material up to 50 inches long, or even longer when you add the optional extension kit. When you get straight cuts, your assembled work fits properly and looks better. So if you want to make precise cuts, get the Bora Saw Plate from Bora Tools. Visit boratool.com.
Don't let the size fool you. The Pony 3700 LD light-duty bar clamp is a workhorse for its size and design. Used by do-it-yourselfers, hobbyists, woodworkers, metalworkers, and professional tradespeople of all types. The design allows the sliding head to hold securely at any point along the bar to guarantee no slipping. The sliding head is threaded to accommodate the easy grip handle, screw, and swivel pad. All adjustments are made with the movable sliding head, making this style fast and easy to open and close and perfect for use in confined spaces. Protective pads are made of thick, durable plastic to ensure your work is protected. The clamps rest parallel to your work surface for easy work placement and adjustment. The light-duty bar clamp has a 2-inch reach, 4, 6, 8, and 12-inch opening capacity, and a 300-pound test load limit. Pony also offered these clamps in medium and heavy-duty styles with opening capacities from 6 inches to 36 inches and test load limits from 600 pounds to 1,000 pounds.
The AccuScribe from FastCap, the first scribe that won't rot. For precise, accurate scribing. With articulating head for complex angles. Keep crisp lines with the built-in pencil sharpener. And a safe retractable compass point for a precise radius. Professional quality for a professional job.
The innovation leader, Lennox, introduces the latest technology in delivering premium performance for the most demanding cutting. Wood reciprocating saw blades with Power Blast technology. Power Blast technology is high-speed blasting along the tang and cutting edge, which strengthens the blade to reduce breaks and increase durability in difficult wood cutting applications. Designed for ultra durability, longer life, and maximum versatility, Lennox offers an entire blade family for the most demanding wood cutting applications. For durability, longer life, and maximum cutting performance for any wood cutting application, Lennox offers its new wood cutting blades with Power Blast technology. They're built stronger to cut longer. For an even higher level of performance for demolition and nail-embedded wood applications, check out the new Demolition CT, carbide-tipped reciprocating blades from Lennox that deliver up to 5 times longer blade life than bimetal recips.
Push sticks are an essential shop safety tool that keep your hands away from the blade. The Miles Craft push stick is great for narrow stock, being that it is only ½ inch wide and it features an extra tall handle that is specifically tilted inward away from the blade or bit location so that the operator's hand is automatically moved further from potential danger. The rear foot hooks over the back end of the material provide a safer, more positive combination of push-pull action. The bottom of the stick is covered in a soft, high-traction polymer coating that prevents it from slipping and avoids scratching and marring the surface of pieces being cut. The high-visibility yellow makes it easy to identify in any busy shop. For more information on the push stick or any of their other products, visit milescraft.com.